Samsung's Galaxy AI era may not stay free forever, and that tiny change has left the tech fans confused. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. When Samsung launched Galaxy AI alongside the Galaxy S24 lineup, it promised on-device and cloud-based AI tools would remain free till 2025. But now the company's launched a newly updated footnote on Samsung's official Galaxy AI page that states that Galaxy AI basic features provided by Samsung are free, wording that strongly suggests not everything will stay that way. So what counts as basic? According to Samsung service terms, free features include popular tools like Call Assist, Writing Assist, Photo Assist, Note Assist, Transcript Assist, Interpreter, Audio Eraser, and other audios that makes 13 features in total. But some features will remain paid. While Samsung hasn't clarified exactly what those features are, many people believe that may rely on third-party AI models that cost real money to license and work. That's where Google enters the picture. Samsung already uses Google's Gemini AI, Gemini Live, and Circle to Search, just like many Android brands. If Google raises costs, manufacturers like Samsung could be forced to either take the hit or pass it straight to users. So Samsung's drawing a line between its in-house AI tools and those which require a subscription. It's like the basic AI will be free, but you'll have to pay for all the good stuff. For now, Galaxy owners can take a sigh of relief as most features aren't going anywhere. But if you think that AI will be free forever, that era may not last forever either. For more tech details, subscribe to GadInsider. Like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Hey Samsung fans! The budget-friendly Galaxy A05s just got a massive upgrade with One UI 7 and Android 15. Is this the update that makes your affordable phone feel like a flagship? Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Let's dive into what's new with the A05s. Big news from Samsung. The Galaxy A05s, a budget phone launched in 2023, is now rocking the slick new One UI 7 update based on Android 15. This isn't just a small patch, it's a major glow-up that brings flagship-level features to one of Samsung's cheapest phones. Wanna know what's in store? Keep watching. The One UI 7 update with build number A057FXXU9DYE5 is a hefty 2.6 GB and includes the May 2025 security patch for better privacy and performance. So what's new? Think updated icons, buttery smooth animations, and a fresh look for Samsung's native apps. Plus, there's a new volume bar placement, a separated notification panel, and a vertical app drawer for easier navigation. Let's break it down. You can now swipe from the top right corner for quick settings and top left for notifications. Super intuitive. The updated design gives the A05s a premium vibe with smoother transitions and a modernized interface. Originally launched with Android 13, this phone is now on par with Samsung's latest devices, proving the budget doesn't mean outdated. How's that for value? Ready to upgrade? Here's how. Head to Settings, tap Software Update, then check for updates. If it's available, hit download and install, and you're good to go. With a 2.6 GB download, make sure you're on Wi-Fi. This update's rolling out fast, so check your Galaxy A05s today to see if it's landed in your region. This update shows Samsung's commitment to keeping even its budget phones fresh and secure. The Galaxy A05s now feels like a whole new device with flagship-style features at a fraction of the price. Whether you're all about smooth animations or love the new app drawer, One UI 7 makes this phone a steal. Are you excited to try it out? That's the scoop on the Galaxy A05s One UI 7 update. Are you hyped for the new features? Or is your A05s already updated? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hold up, a massive leak just dropped today about Samsung's Galaxy Tab S11, and it's got us hyped. An 11-inch AMOLED stunner, a blazing Dimensity 9400 chip, and a June release. Let's unpack this game changer. Samsung's bringing back the compact 11-inch flagship we've been begging for, and it's packing some serious heat. Wanna know why the Tab S11 could dominate 2025? Stick with me for the juicy details. According to leaks, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 is making a comeback with a gorgeous 11-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Expect buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rates, HDR10 Plus support, and that anti-reflective coating Samsung debuted on the S24 Ultra. Perfect for binge watching and working in bright sunlight. Powering this beast, the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, a flagship SoC with a 3.62 GHz Cortex-X925 core and 12-core GPU. Leaks say it's 40% more efficient than the Dimensity 9300 Plus in the Tab S10, delivering insane performance for gaming, editing, and multitasking. Think Snapdragon 8 Elite-level power at a potentially lower cost. The Tab S11's design is sleek, likely under 6mm thin with a premium metal frame. It'll support the S Pen for sketching and notes, and rumors hint at moonstone gray and platinum silver colors. Plus, it's codenamed GTS11 with the Tab S11 Ultra as its big brother, so you expect a compact yet powerful vibe. The leaks point to June 2025 release, breaking Samsung's usual 1.5-year cycle for the Tab S series. This suggests Samsung's rushing to compete with the likes of the iPad Air and Vivo Pad 5 Pro. Running One UI 7 on Android 15, expect AI-powered features like dialogue boost and 7 years of updates. Why does this matter? The Tab S11 brings back the 11-inch size missing from the Tab S10 lineup, offering a portable alternative to the 12.4-inch Plus and 14.6-inch Ultra. At an estimated $699 to $799, it could undercut the iPad Air while matching its display and power. The Galaxy Tab S11 is shaping up to be a must-have. Want the latest on this leak or to pre-order when it drops? Check the links in the description for more details. Our list includes Galaxy phones of S series, A series, and Z series. Recently, Samsung has emerged as the leading phone manufacturing company in almost every market worldwide, including Asia, Europe, and North America. The South Korean tech giant has introduced several phone series, including the S series, the A series, and the Z series of foldables. As Samsung offers a more diverse variety of smartphone choices than any other phone maker, it can be difficult to choose the best option. Here is a list of some of the best Samsung phones you can buy. Best Samsung phones in 2024. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out as the best option Samsung has to offer in recent times, with a screen size of 6.8 inches and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It has a 50MP 5x telephoto rear camera and a 12MP front camera. It also offers excellent battery life, 12GB RAM, and 256GB of storage. Samsung has introduced this flagship with Galaxy AI, which includes features such as live and call translation, note and web page summaries, and powerful generative photo editing. Samsung Galaxy S24. The Samsung Galaxy S24 offers a 50MP rear camera and a 12MP front camera, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 8GB RAM, and 128GB of storage. It also comes with an extra bright display and strong battery life. Additionally, it offers Galaxy AI features similar to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. This is a big screen Samsung Galaxy flagship available for less than $1,000. It offers a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED screen and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It has a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide front camera, 12GB RAM, and 256GB of storage. It has a higher display resolution and offers a well-balanced alternative within the family, along with the same software update schedule and Galaxy AI benefits. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is Samsung's latest flagship that launched at the Galaxy Unpacked event. It offers a 7.6-inch AMOLED screen, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and strong battery life. The device's lightweight body makes it easier to use. Moreover, the addition of Galaxy AI features, including the interpreter mode and sketch to image, makes it even better. However, the upgrades have caused Samsung to increase the prices. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. It is the most expensive Z Flip yet. It offers a 50MP camera, which is the best option for photography enthusiasts. The upgraded Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset not only unlocks better performance but also new AI-powered features, including interpreter mode and photo assist. However, the pricing is a bit high at $1,000, considering the battery life, which doesn't last long on a single charge.